ओके सो लास्ट क्लास में दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 1 हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया था. Today we will do numerical based upon this one and we will revise this whole chapter. Clear? So first of all start with the formulas. The formula used here. Number 1, that is the quantization of charge Q equal to plus minus NA. Second, Coulomb law, that is force between two charges may be attractive or may be repulsive, that is K q1 q2 by r square. You know the value of k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 raised to power minus 12, and the value of k is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Epsilon naught is known as a permittivity of free space. Okay, then that is k, that is psi r, that is dielectric constant or relative permittivity, that is equal to f psi by f psi naught times, that is equal to f air upon f media. We have already done the force is a vector quantity, so that is superposition of principal force states that the net force acting on the system must be equal to F1 plus F2 plus so on. Next one, that is electric field. E is given by F by Q. This implies F equal to QA. So from second and the third you can write that is QE equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. If you will consider a free body diagram and body have a mass m, then F equal to mg, that is this F is also equal to mg, then this is equal to mg. So this is the formula to solve numericals. Next one is electric dipole moment. So electric dipole moment is P equal to Q magnitude of either charge into that is the distance of separation between them. Now listen here, this electric field is a vector quantity, so superposition of principal state that E equal to E1 plus E2 and so on up to En. Next one, electric field on axial line, that is given by the formula E axial equal to 2kp by rq for short dipole. On equatorial line given kp by rq. Numericals based upon this one. Okay, this is for electric field. Next one, when an electric dipole is placed inside a uniform electric field, the net force acting on that F net must be equal to 0, but torque x there and torque equal to Pe sine theta. Here stable, there are two types of equilibrium, stable and unstable. In stable equilibrium, theta must be 0 degree and here theta must be equal to 180 degree. Maximum you know that is 90 degree. Next one, this is for electric field axial line, equatorial line, F net system. Then this is for electric flux, phi equal to q by f psi naught. Gauss law states that this is also equal to E dot ds. So that depends upon the angle. Okay, electric field E dot ds. Okay, and here from here very important result, when we increase or double the radius or double the area, the flux does not change because the flux depends upon the number of lines of electric field entering into that surface. Next, linear charge density lambda equal to q by length. If there is a circle, then you know that q upon 2 pi r, where r is a radius and that is 2 pi r is circumference. If small, then you know that this lambda is equal to dq by dl. By integration you can calculate. Next one, that is surface charge density sigma. Sigma equal to q by area. Okay, unit you can write yourself. Okay, from here this is q by a, so from here you can calculate the charge also. Charge equal to sigma into a that is area, so whatever that depends upon the shape of the body. Okay, different bodies have a different area, so that depends upon the shape of the body. 13, volume charge density rho equal to q by volume. If solid sphere there, then you can write volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and from here you can also write that is rho equal to dq by dv. Small change, small charge and small volume. By integration you can calculate this one. Next, Gauss law, already done there, state that the flux through a closed surface equal to total charge enclosed upon F psi naught. Next one, that is the electric field applications. Applications of which one? Gauss law. First application for straight conductor having linear charge density lambda. The electric field E is given by lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught into R. Okay, this is for which one? Straight conductor. 17, that is electric field due to a thin plane sheet, that is E is given by sigma upon 2 F psi naught. Okay, 18, this is the electric field due to a hollow spherical shell outside, that is equal to kq by r square. Second part of this one on the surface, that is electric field equal to kq by r square. That depends upon the simply you have to replace small r by capital R. Next, third, the electric field inside a hollow sphere, that is E equal to 0 because the total charge, what is the total charge? Total charge is 0, so the electric flux is 0 and hence the electric field is 0. So these all are the formulas which we have to use for the numerical, which we have to use for the conceptual from this chapter. Clear? Okay, so please write down, if not written, write down all, and today we will discuss the important numerical based upon these and conceptual problems.